Welcome to the Prudent Pulse. We're covering the week of September 9th to the 13th. Now, with Friday's payrolls report only falling modestly short of expectations, it still remains unclear whether the Fed will cut by 25 or 50 basis points next week. Now, this week's final CPI report before the Fed meeting could well serve as the tiebreaker for the size of next week's cut. Now, barring a major negative surprise, I think a 25 basis point cut seems more likely, and I think the Fed may prepare the market for larger cuts during the subsequent months. Now, futures are pricing in a policy rate of around 4 to 4.25% by year-end, which would imply at least one and maybe even two 50 basis point rate cuts the last two meetings of the year. Now, also this week we have the first and possibly only presidential debate for this election. Last week's Pew survey indicated that the economy is by far the biggest concern for voters, and the two candidates have very different plans on how they aim to handle corporate taxes, capital gains, tariffs, immigration, tax breaks, and other key economic issues, and we'll see if the debate results in any movement in the polls. And that's this week's Prudent Pulse.